guys, welcome back. I'm here with the kids. We're about to go do some shopping. This was last minute. I know I needed to go to Marshall's because I like Marshall's. So we got Marshall's here, we got Winners here. We're gonna go to Party City, hopefully. We get to go to Party City. At what store? Royal Seas Dollarama, so we'll probably end up in there too.
Mom, can we go to the dollar store?
Yeah, I just said we're going to the dollar store.
I love the dollar store.
I know, we all love the dollar
Kylie's
store.
taking her stuff.
So let's get outside, guys. It's hot today! Hey! We just got our water, slushies, all of that. You guys want to bring your slushie with you? Kylie, you want to bring this with you? You're going to want it.
Okay. I don't like
so
it.
let's, you don't want it?
No.
Hi, can I see your picture?
You guys want to see some of Kylie's artwork? Kylie goes to art school.
Kylie, let me see.
Look. She brought some of her artwork. You brought this? Oh, because it was in your bag from when we went to art school.
No, I just put it in.
Oh, you just brought it today? So this is some of her art, guys. Well, I'll show you guys some and comment down below and let me know which one you guys favorite. Kylie really likes this one. Did you bring my favorite? I think my favorite's at home. Here's some more. Kylie's in on this, guys. You got more? Oh, I really love this one. Her teacher told me that she showed her class her art today. I'm proud of her. Kylie's so shy, so the fact that she actually showed it was amazing. Look. That is the cat sitting on
A clock.
a clock. Oh, it has like Roman numerals on the clock. Cool. Is that all?
Yeah.
Well, at home, when you guys see me filming in one of the rooms that I film there, cover your mouth. I have her artwork in my little studio there as well. She doesn't have art for the summer. She doesn't have dance for the summer, but we got a summer off and we'll just be having fun. But yeah, let's get outside. The car is boiling.
Come on, Kylie. Mom, I bring my water. Mom, I like these shoes.
You guys, I need a new water bottle. I was just telling Kylie.
That water bottle too?
Oh yeah.
Mom, that water
You know how many
bottle.
water bottles I bought you guys?
No, I don't.
Oh, you need to know.
Water bottle.
This one is nice, Royal.
Yeah.
I like this one.
I
No.
like the color, and it's only $9.99. They also have it in this color, and it's Herschel. Guys, I really like this one. I think I might end up getting one like this because it has this straw on it. You guys, I can't even open this. I've been trying to open them. It's not working. I was trying to open this one first. It wasn't working. No, I don't like when I have to
Can you get it?
that one, but this one doesn't have a straw.
Oh no.
I feel like I need a straw. You guys, where else did I have to get this fan? I love it though. Hold on, how much is it? $9.99 for this?
Mommy, let me try.
I want it. Need a basketball ball. I'm gonna play some basketball.
Got one too?
$24.
It's squishy.
I want a basketball.
Yeah. This basketball.
You like it?
Yeah, it's so big.
You'll play ball with me?
Yeah. Mom, can we buy it, Mom?
Yeah, I think I need it.
Yay.
What is this? Squishmallows? Squish.
This
Oh, is it a
Mama's
bag?
backpack.
Yeah. But it looks like all of it has just cushion inside. There's barely space because there's so much cushion.
It's open. It's open.
I opened it. Look at this basket, guys. It's shaped like a boat. Oh, and they got this. Their cute basket. This is like nice for,
It's
you know,
for
house
picnic.
for picnic? No, this is house decoration.
No, it's for picnic.
Oh, that's $9.99. Awesome price. What is this? Monopoly pieces. Mini sculpted ceramic drink set. You guys, I really love these strawberry strings. We got more cups. I couldn't get the other ones open, guys. So I wonder if I can get one of these open. Or I'm just not familiar with it. This one is a cool bottle, right, Kylie? I just need to drink more water. And you know, sometimes you get a new cup, it just makes it happen. Like that one too, right? It's just, it's so light. This one's so light is good. Guys, these water bottles, they are expensive. I'm not gonna lie. What's that?
It's candy.
It's junk.
No.
You guys, I figured it out. You literally have to pull it open. Oh no, I forgot
Mom,
that.
can we buy
This is the clearance section. Careful, Rue.
this?
They have a bunch of seasonings here. What is this one? It says lime something, but it's covered. Ooh, some more water bottles. Royal found on clearance.
This is so perfect.
We got some KitchenAid mixers here. Clearance $5.
Wow, Mom. You have more water
I just bought a
bottles.
carrot
Look, Mom.
peeler, but this one looks better. More water bottles?
Yeah. It was here all the way.
Look at this, guys. I actually needed a vase. I think this might work. Okay guys, yeah, we were in Marshall's, guys, so we just left Marshall's. Huh?
The scooter.
Come. Okay.
Is that the scooter over there?
Scooter. We are going to
What's all the
Dollarama.
time?
Oh, those scooters make those noises. Gotta hold my hand.
I'm gonna go slide.
Okay guys, so we're about to go on Dollarama. I'm gonna show you some of the cleaning products that they have in there. Yeah, that's pretty much it. Okay guys, it's the end of our vlog. We're heading back to the car now. We bought all our stuff. Until next time, I love you guys.